Okay, today we're going to make a destructible physics asset within the UDK. So this thing, this crate within the UDK right now, it's a static mesh, and I couldn't do anything with it. I can make it into a rigid body and then bump it around a little bit, but really it's a static mesh. Being a static mesh, it has two sets of UVs, and you can right click, find in content browser, double click on this, and you can see that has channel 0, which deals with color, and channel 1 that deals with light mass. Okay, so know that static meshes contain two sets of UVs, where physics assets do not need the second set of UVs because they do not have light mass. Okay, so in Maya, also know something about this. It's broken into little bits. So I have this board with two nails, I have this board, and etc. and so forth. So it's not box modeled. It's box modeled, but it's not one complete solid chunk of geometry. It's individual chunks. So whatever you decide to make it into a physics asset has to be kind of modeled that way in smaller chunks. And you can combine whatever chunks you want. So in this case I had some visual interest on the side here with these little nails. Okay. When I'm done, what I did is modify center pivot and make sure you edit delete by type history on any that you have. Also, if it's a very complex mesh, I would say you should probably break it up into layers. So this is not about using layers, it's just, general setup. Perfect. So I'll start here with one lid. You'll notice that these things are showing up that you might not recognize. These are the active selection points. So by modify center pivot, it shows the pivot point right here. And then what I can do is, if I want to see these, first off, let's turn them all on. Then I can grab the mesh and go display, transform display, selection handles. And that'll pop on these little X's or plus marks. Cool. So that's the general setup as far as model information that you'll need to get started. So what you'll probably have to do now is go model something that can come apart in little tiny chunks. When you get done with that, please move on to the next video, and in that video I'll show you how to skin the model very efficiently so we can kind of blow it up within the UDK. Alright, see you there.